noticed in this 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.